Hello guys. Actually, I had pretty much like a bad past couple of days, couple of months in hospital. Actually, I wasn't well and I wasn't doing good. So, so yeah, I'm back. All right, let's go on to the so-called Planetary Dynamo. This thing was given by me in year 2016 when I was in 11th standard. Aka junior college. This actually is Planetary Dynamo, which explains how you can extract energy from the motion of planet or any other stuff which has velocity. For example, if you have, I'll be showing you guys. If you have a black hole, right here, if you have a black hole and you have a star revolving around it, you can extract energy from it until and unless uh, this idea is basically is for modern. I mean, it's for like couple of maybe 10,000 years after this. I mean, after this thing, in future maybe if this thing can be developed, one can do that. The idea is simple. we have to make sorry we have to make a Tesla coil, a coil like something like I can show you guys. Uh, let me switch to my uh, whiteboard actually. So here, if you have a suppose I'm messing up. All right, this is sun actually. Okay, all right. Imagine this is sun and we have orbit something like this, this, pretty much. Okay, not too bad. All right, this is these are the orbits, and you have something like maybe uh, an asteroid or something like maybe moon or any other rocky body around it. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna build something like this: ring, rings, rings, rings. Keep in mind that whenever, like, how I'm gonna draw the rings, it's not in the orbit. Alignment is not in the orbit, it's out of the orbit, because there is a law which we always, I mean, everybody knows. You can't have energy from anything. Like, you have to give energy in order to get energy. So law of conservation of energy. So absolutely, my energy, my area is not a perpetual motion or any kind of stuff like that. So it's gonna cost energy, and that energy would be provided by the motion of the planet, or aka rocky body, which can be tremendous. I mean, I never calculated it. It can be given by, I mean, you can calculate by Maxwell equation V dot d the induced electric current due to the change in flux, magnetic flux. You can say that. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna draw something like, let me draw it clearly. This is a new sun, and I'm gonna draw just one orbit around it, and that's one orbit. And we gonna look this rock, and we're gonna draw a ring something like this, something like this, 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 and finally this. I know there are, this is kind of like theoretical idea, just like Dyson sphere, but I actually gave many ideas regarding this to the University of Berkeley and Stanford. So I never got any response from any professor or so, something like that. But then, well, I'll be like trying more, and I'll keep trying it. So when this rock passes this ring, what we call a coil, a coil which is floating in vacuum. So this will induce a magnetic flux, and that will, I mean, this will induce electric current due to change in magnetic flux, that is Faraday's law. And the trajectory would be something like this. Something like this, and boom, they'll be colliding. And there are many other possibilities we can say, or maybe like you have a ball, you can say, like a spherical ball, and you have a ring around it. It will be like something like the ring will be going to, along with the ball, because of gravity. You can say that it can happen. That it's a theoretical idea, but it's cool. I mean, I just saw it when I was uh, sitting in lecture. My sir was actually teaching me. So when I was in giving preparation of NEET, JEE, and all stuff, so he taught me, like, I came to know about this thing as Faraday's law, and then I suddenly got an idea, like something this like this can be done. And that's why I think this is possible in maybe a modern civilization would be able to do that, or maybe level 2, level 3 civilization would be able to do that. I don't know what do you guys think about it, but this is the idea. And I'll be posting videos soon about other stuffs too, and about my research paper. And also I do couple of things. I write research paper. There is a page of mine, Instagram page called Physics My Meraki, and Physics My Meraki. You can follow it. I keep on posting such cool things and all stuff. And hit that like button, subscribe, and do comment on how. And I'm ready to answer anybody's question. Like, feel free to ask me, even it's 12 o'clock midnight. All right, I'm gonna answer you as soon as possible as I can, because I have my lectures and all stuff aligned together, and this is COVID and stuff like that. So be safe and take care, and I'll see you guys soon.